let's move to chapter 4. Called is meme generator. So from this practice or this chapter, we will primarily have two major tasks. First is we will create a meme as drawing. So we will start to learn our new widget. So you'll see some busy linkages because in the left, as I mentioned in the last video, we create some the linkage so that you can connect to which knowledge point of this library we are using. So we are using a new drawing, the widget, and then we start to customize our meme generator, which means we will try to customize this drawing widget with our text box widget, combo widget, and the slider widget. So through this meme generator, we will try to utilize some new widget to equip the weapons of GUI 0 library. So let's start to learn. So again, from the complete this mind map, you can see here. So if you click on every linkage, right click, you can see here. So go to text box, go to text box. So that is the connection. So then you know is what are the widget we are using within this chapter. So during is where the documenting is, we will have more knowledge point. I may add it into this mind map for your later reference. So first is let's go to this book. So let's take a lesson you learned from previous chapter to create a GUI which draw meme. So last the video or last course, last chapter we try to use a picture. So which means you can load a picture, but that's not a drawing. So within this chapter, we will input text and the image name, and your GUI will combine them into your own meme. So which means you create our picture your own. So starting by creating a simple GUI with two text box. So that means we will starting to use text box. So which means, so text box is here. So we can put text box also from here. So I put that is we have a drawing. So text box. So let's see the sequence. So first of all, let me create our folder, ch04, and I'm starting to create a file. Is meme1.py. So, well, we load some new widgets. So from GUI 0 import, definitely you need the app. Now we have our drawing and text box. Box is B is the capital. So now let's just close those spy. So now is we have our app is equal to app meme, and let's ensure is we can display correctly with our GUI window. So me here, that's perfect. And then we have our top text. So let's add the text. Then we will. So now. Be aware is we are not using text, we are using text box. You can read from the widget documents later on is what's that difference. So top text. So once we add that is, let's see here, that is a text box. Text box means you can change those values. But since we set that, the next time when you run that again, it will be the default value. So this is the default value. So if you want to read those details, so let's just breathe and have a little here. So when we have making that is, you can see, so we have this text box. So the text is here. So actually we hide this text equal to. So that is this one. So you can add this, and you can see the width, height, grid, align, visible, enable. I think it's if we put this multiple by default is false, and if we put that is the true. So let's see. Then you get our multi-line. So you can see you have a multi-line, but since we don't have our height enough, so let's say height now is 1 by default. Is let's see, I want 10 lines multi-text box. So now you get this one. So you see, I entered 9 times, so I got these 10 lines. So, but those are not what we need now. So you just keep in mind, and then this we can continue. So we should have a bottom text. There's another text box, app, text. Once you have more familiar with the library, I think you can ignore those text. Similarly, like that command, so you don't need that to keep simpler. So top, bottom, but now we don't have anything between, so they just close each other. So, and then let's have this base, and we make this as the meme1. Let's go to the meme2. So my naming is not the same as the end of the chapter. Is they separate those the programs, but you can use those samples in the end. But you can follow me. Is I just wanted to is whenever we achieve one function, let's leave that as one self-contained the executable the program, and we create our additional name, and then this will continue to do the more coding. So first is this one is we have our meme is we add drawing, so that is additional features we are doing. So we use this drawing widget, and then this we have app, and then the drawing. So let's again go to here. So when we have this drawing, so let's see, you have self and master, that is the command, and with, height, grid, align, visible, enable. So not too many the complex things. So but we have this dimension. So with equal to fill, height equal to fill. Fill means create when the text in the top, and the drawing which height and fill should be set fill to rest of the GUI. So that means you have one top one line text and one bottom line one line text. Rest of that is we will make that fill. So then they make your GUI as big. So but we have nothing to draw inside. The meme will be created when the text in the top and bottom change. To do this, we will need to create a function. So now we need to have a function here. Remember, is the function should be clear. The drawing, create an image. We are using a photo of woodpecky. So let's also back to our the drawing. So let me see here. So when I introduce this here, add a picture. So let me see, get a free picture. So let me see. Woodpecker. So let's get our own. So if you which one you like is maybe this one. So I just make a screenshot, cut on this. So let me save on that, and go to chapter 4. So woodpecker. Sorry, it's the D. And then close that. Is you can always use this site to find some this free image. then let's continue. So we will make our this drawing. So function. So def draw mean. So without arguments. So set some properties. Clear, that is 1, and make the content clear. Image 0, 0. Woodpecker. Now we have our own woodpecker here. But just keep in mind, is our working folder is not here, so you need to change this to chapter 04. So when you list, you see your file, then that will be good. And that mean text 2020 top text value. So that is our text box. Meme.text 2320 bottom text value. So we will fill and then we will load this into our part. And then what we will make is after this meme, we need to call that. That is the standard call. Let me see. So what's this happen? So that if I putting this here, so looks like it's my picture is not so big, so I can put that is to 200 maybe. So yeah, so bottom is here, so maybe it's 220. Similar is that is, but it's fine. Is we got this exact similar this effect. First, the two number image is 00, and the main text 2020 are the XY coordinates. So if you want is not starting from the 0, so let's see. So we want maybe in the right a little bit is let's go to the 30. So maybe starting from here, then this one is 50, and this one is 50, and this should be 0. So just the x coordinate will be changed. So close. So now you can see it's getting a little more right moved. So that is the effect that you can control. And finally call this and we'll do this clear and then this load this image. The only thing is ensure is you are in the right working folder, then you can have your the meme, the program is running. If you run this and try change the top and the bottom text, you will notice that it doesn't update the meme. So let's see. So if I because it's this changing is not put any command to the meme. So that is as what we have done. Is first you cannot change that. This just our text from the value. So it's the text load here is the meme text property. They read from this text box value. But if I change that, it's not changed here because it's a load just once. So we need to make that event driven. Then this we can say top text is let's make that in the third one. So second one is also already our working file, and then the third one is the text is this one, and then this we gave a command. So now you see the command again. Is the draw meme, and also here. So we can run now. So whenever I change, you can see here, every time I change our text, it will trigger this draw meme. But in the beginning, is I make our draw meme first, and then this now you can see you are start to manage and change the text in a picture or in a drawing. So that is the way is we can have that. You can now look at your meme by changing color. So meme text. Now we can see here with our some more the color. So we can see, so you can use this way as well. So 2020 top value now is we have a color equal to orange. It's comma, size equal to 40, bigger, font equal to Arial. Now let's run this. You can see here is a bigger one, so too big. So let's make that 29. So let's see. So you can get this, and let's make that also not on our bird's eyes. So that is good, and then here we can make that another color. So similarly, is we can change like this every line with something. So blue, size is 28, font is Times New Roman. So let's run. So now you have this one, but it's also not good. Let's see, so 200. So let's start to move to the right. And then this we can we have our these functions working until now. So and also you still can change the text when you do this text box update. So let's make this 3 also working, and continue make 4. So customize your meme generator. Now we will do some generator. So we will add some more widget. So one is the combo, and another is a slider. But again, it's our text box is not so the big enough. So let's back to here. So if I put a widget text box, you remember is we have width and height. Let's make our text box bigger, because that is not so much the space. So let's have our text box is 50. So let's have a look. So that is long enough. So let's leave on that. So we have more text that can be put in. But we will learn the combo and the slider. So after you have created your text box widget for the top and bottom, create a new combo. So bottom text after that is let's create the color is combo. Yeah, we can use this way to if you have multiple options. So first is the app, secondly is options. So option is a list with color, black, white, red, green. You can add more. So blue, orange, or maybe we see a pink if you want. So that is the second line, and we give a command. Command is also draw again the meme. And then the option is a parameter set what color the user can select from the combo. Let's see the effect. So here is the black, and then we have those colors like green. But we are not putting that into the text box, so we will need to make the option displayed on this. The first option is the default, which is the black, display first. If you want to have a different option as the default, you can do it using the select. So select is blue, so let's add that. So selected equal to blue. let's go to here. So you can see the blue is even is not in the top one, is now the default one. Now your user can select a color. Next, you need to change the draw meme function to use combos color when creating the color in your meme. So we need to connect our meme text with this color. So this is the text and the color is the color value. So not this hard code. So color.value. So we have this two. So top is we change that. Let's run this first. So color.color value size. Yeah, coming here. So by default is blue. Then you can now see you can change. So pink. I think is we have pink. We have white. So white is nice. So now you can also change this your this one. So that is but if you make that they will be the same color. So we just make those. Following the step above, add a second combo. So we have another combo is the font, right? So we can have a font. So we can add some options of a different font. So Times New Roman, or Dana, Q Clear, Impact. So and by default is impact. Let's see. So here, then we change this the bottom. So let me run this. So you can see is the impact, and we can change here. So that is the one customization you have. And then this one is you have the size, and also we have the size is the slider. So let's see size equal using the slider. So add star is end. So that's the range, and the command equal to draw. So every time we change this, and we use this to set to meme text for the bottom. So we add one size. So size dot value. So now we have our slider. So you can see. So these can be dragged. So now you can change the size. So all those are now your code should now resemble like the last one. So if you follow my the video is you have 4 now. So on hand, it may not be exact the same like those source code, but every step of the code is self-executable. So I hope it's you get the good feeling is you can make a drawing widget and add a certain combo or slider. Slider is for our the number the range, but combo is for our list range that you can use that to customize dynamically change your the widget like text property. So thank you for your watching on this chapter. So next chapter I will try to close those, make that cleaner. So we will try to talk about the good and the worst the GUI comparison. So we call that worst GUI. So now you know is what's that the bad behavior maybe we need to try to prevent when you do the GUI development. So thank you for your watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.